Hello, little ones. We are making one of our favorites today, chocolate chip cookies. They are absolutely delicious, warm, with glass of milk. The very first thing we do is wash our hands. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now take a piece of parchment paper to cover the baking sheet so that the baked cookies come off easily. We'll put half a stick of very soft salted butter, let's get a mixing bowl. Two-thirds cup lightly packed brown sugar, and whisk. Till they come together. Be very careful while cracking an egg and add it to the butter mixture. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla, mix very well with a whisk. In another bowl, let's measure 1 cup of flour, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix with a rubber spatula. Add the dry mixture into the butter mixture, a little at a time, and mix with the spatula. Here comes the best part. Add half a cup of chocolate chips. And fold gently. Scoop a tablespoonful of the dough and slide it onto the pan. With the help of a fork. Keeping space between them so that they don't stick to each other when they spread while baking. Ask an adult's help to place the baking sheet in the oven. And set a timer for 10 minutes or just till the edges are golden brown. Ask an adult to take the pan out of the oven and cool the cookies on the pan for 5 minutes. Now they are ready to be eaten with a glass of milk. Share and enjoy.